Hello everyone, welcome back. This is the last part of the tutorial series video. In this video, we will do the texturing of the tree and we will render it. Now let's start the video. First, I have connected the normal map to Principled BSDF using normal map. Connect the cavity map with the Principled BSDF, and I will add a color ramp node, and I will give color to black and white value. And I will change linear to B-spline in color ramp. Then I will add another value in middle and play with it to get desired color for the tree. I will add color ramp to ambient occlusion, and I will adjust the value of black and white on color ramp. Now combine the two color ramp. To do that, select both color ramp and press Ctrl+0 and it will get combined. Connect first color ramp with the factor. Change the color to dark blue on mix node. Also play with the color ramp node. Now bring down the specular value and increase the roughness value on Principled BSDF. Now we are done with the texturing. Let's bake the base color now. For that, create a new image and rename it as base color. And add an image texture in shader editor like before. After that, select only low poly model and bake the diffuse. Let's add a camera and set position of the camera. After setting up the camera, press F12 to render the image. For lighting, I will use the HDRI. You can download the HDRI from HDRI Haven for free and use it. And this is the end of the tutorial series video. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, give it a like and subscribe the channel for future tutorial videos.